About time you helped me put this thing up. No, we're not taking it down tomorrow. Okay, here we go. Merry Christmas, buddy. Are you talking about my wrapping job? Look at yours. Look, you even used some of mine on top of it. You jerk. And what does this say? For da? From me? Are you trying to write cursive now? What? I mean, who else would it be from? Come on, Vader. I'm sorry, yeah, I know. You have lots and lots of friends that you just got so many gifts from. And Santa brought you a lot, too. Oh, yeah. Well, I tried to find a Star Destroyer, but I don't think the Star Destroyer that you're referring to is really going to fit in that box, so... You know what? Why don't you just go first? Wait, you don't like it? I thought it was perfect for you. Oh, you're gonna tell me that it's not in mint condition? I thought you would like it. Come on. You know, you sound like yours is so much better. I can't wait to see what you got me. It's coming. What did you get me? Is it like it's in the mail or? What do you mean you can't tell me? If it's not here yet, I think I have at least a right to know what you got me so I can know what I'm expecting to get in the mail. You know, Vader, I should have known. I should have known. It's no surprise. Yeah, Merry Christmas to you too. So good. How's your hot chocolate? Well, you gotta drink it slow and carefully, otherwise, yeah, you will burn your tongue. Are you all right? Are you gonna live? Good. No, I'm sorry, Vader, but I'm not gonna give you this mug. This is my mug. I like this mug. No, I don't think you should get a say in what movie we watch because you won't even tell me what you got me for Christmas. Oh, I know. It's coming. So what'd you give me? This movie is not scary.
I don't know who's in there, but somebody just got blown away. Huh? Somebody beat us to the job.
It's Home Alone.
Two of them. I was arguing. One of them blew the other one away. Who? I don't know. I thought I recognized one of their voices. And I know I heard it.
Oh, get your own blanket.
Snakes? Snakes. I don't know no snakes. Snakes. Let's get out of here.
I'll give you some of my blanket if you tell me what you got me for Christmas.
Who it is? You work this neighborhood too. Supposing the cops finger us for a job, and they start asking us questions about a murder in the area.
You got me a what?
Nice to have a face to go with
Oh, a Darth Vader book.
Good idea.
That's pretty cool.
It's a good idea. Snakes. He sounded like a snake.
Wait. You gave me a Vader book. Meaning like,
Everything's full.
Everything's full.
I'm very sorry, but it is Christmas Eve.
so you submitted a bunch of photos of yourself on a website and they printed out a custom scrapbook
Nothing available.
of you.
May I help you get a hotel room in the city? Tomorrow afternoon we can get you a flight to Chicago.
I can't wait that long.
I'm terribly sorry, ma'am, but we're doing absolutely everything we can.
Go ahead, Roy, I'm sorry.
Fine.
Excuse me, your place is
Fine.
Got a ticket there.
Deal's a deal. But I'm not doing Christmas with you anymore.